We all know that black creates a slimming effect, but today let's talk about other looks that lengthen. An easy way to create a look of length is to wear ankle pants. While it has a slimming effect on some people, it doesn't work for others, but this is just one option to consider. Another option is to dress monochrome. And here I'm dressing in a camel monochromatic look, and I'm also combining that with ankle pants. Because there's no color to visually break up the eye, it creates a look of length and a slimming effect as well. But we can take this a step further by removing the black cap off the shoes. And the black cap actually just disrupts the way the eye views the outfit. And so here the shoes match the outfit. And again, we've created length through the visual effect of color. One of my favorite ways to create length is to pair a long coat or cardigan. Here I'm wearing a coatigan, which is heavier than a cardigan but lighter than a coat. But because of the long lines of this cardigan or coatigan, look at how much length that adds to the outfit. So we have monochrome, ankle pants, and now a long cardigan to create length here. You've heard me talk about dressing tonal on top to create an instantly chic look, and that's where your jacket and shirt match. And while I am doing that in this look, I'm also dressing tonal on bottom, so that means that my pants and shoes are the same color and match. Again, it's just another visual illusion that creates length because there's nothing distracting the eye from the line. As spring and summer wedding season approaches, you will likely find yourself wearing dresses or skirts. To create a lengthening look, match the tone of your shoes to your skin tone. And that will help create length because there's nothing to distract the eye from the line. So it just creates a visual longer line. And yes, no one freak out. I am wearing pink in both of these outfits, 2 outfits in a row. But it's just to demonstrate how this looks. Probably the easiest way to create looks of length is to column dress. And column dressing is where your base outfit, your top, your bottoms, your shoes, is all one color and creates one cohesive line for the eye. And then over top of that, you layer a jacket, a blazer, or a sweater. And it just creates a longer look, makes you look slimmer, makes you look taller. But we can take this a step further by using the long cardigan or the coatigan here. Look at how much length this creates visually. And for reference, I'm only 5'1", barely 5'1". Look at how long that looks. And the next option tends to be the one that midlife women don't want to hear. I've heard from so many of you saying that you either don't want to wear heels anymore or that you can't wear them anymore. But look at the difference in this outfit when I add a small heel. It creates a very long, very slim look. So I encourage you to consider that as an option. Finally, there is just something about some pants that make the legs look longer and slimmer. And for me, it's these wrinkle-free travel pants. Again, I am only 5'1" with a 26-inch inseam, and I'm wearing flat shoes here. Look at how long and slim it makes my legs look. And that's it, my friends. Until next time.